Managing multiple accounts on platforms from only one device is almost impossible without anti-detect browsers. One of them is Incogniton, a tool well familiar among social media managers, e-commerce specialists, and affiliate marketers around the world. However, anti-detect browsers go hand in hand with reliable proxies. So in this video, we'll show you how to set up Incogniton with IPRoyal Proxies to avoid detection and protect your accounts. We'll also explain what makes this browser stand out and why IPRoyal's residential proxies are the perfect match, so don't go anywhere. Let's start with some of the key features of Incogniton. Aside from letting you set up countless accounts and manage them from a single device, this browser offers data storage and synchronization, team account support, bulk profile creation, fingerprint generator, and Selenium and Puppeteer integration. Unlike most anti-detect browsers, this one supports human typing emulation for website form filling and lets you use 10 browser profiles for free. But to ensure each browser profile uses a different IP address and mimics a different online user, you need reliable proxies. This is when IPRoyal's residential proxies come in. Our proxies are ethically sourced from real users and ISPs worldwide, linking your Incogniton browser profiles with different devices. This will help you avoid detection and losing your valuable accounts. With IPRoyal's residential proxy service, you get access to an entire pool of over 32 million IPs, precise geo-targeting options, and non-expiring traffic at highly competitive prices. Using a cost-effective proxy solution like ours ensures smooth account management with Incogniton or any anti-detect browser without overpaying. Now, let's see how to get started using Incogniton with IPRoyal's reliable proxies. Download and install Incogniton on your device. Launch it and create a free account, or sign in if you already have one. Select Profile Management from the menu on the left and click the New Profile button next to Action. Click the Add Proxy button, or select a proxy option from the menu on the left. Open your IPRoyal dashboard to find your proxy credentials. We'll use residential proxies from Amsterdam, Netherlands with SOC 5 support and sticky sessions lasting 2 hours. Go back to Incogniton and select SOC 5 proxy as the connection type. The option HTTP proxy works if you want to use HTTP or HTTPS proxies. Then, copy your proxy IP, port, username, and password from the IPRoyal dashboard and paste them into the appropriate fields. Next, click the Check Proxy button to see if your proxy works. You should see your Incogniton's proxy IP and location. Select the Create Profile in the bottom right corner. You can now see your new profile in the Proxy Management section. Click the Start button to launch a browser window using your profile settings. You can visit our IP lookup page to check if your proxy works correctly. And that's it! You can now use Incogniton with IPRoyal's proxies to manage an unlimited number of accounts with minimal risk of detections and bans. Thanks to our ethical IP sourcing methods and highly reliable proxies, you can expect secure and efficient multi-account management. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more useful content. Don't forget to share it with others, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.